Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2023 Cadillac Escalade Luxury featuring crystal white tri-coat with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 6.2-liter V8 paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features include a hands-free power liftgate, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, wireless device charging, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connection, a backup camera, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with a nice wood grain accent. We have heated front seats, power lock and unlock, memory seating options, front and rear powered window, and power retractable mirrors with some storage down below. Our main AKG speaker. Taking a closer look at the seats here. To the bottom left, we have the power seating and power lumbar, and we can hop inside. Just to the left when we get inside, we have the power park brake. We also have a really nice startup screen here. And we can take a look at the steering wheel. We have the same accent as the door here. To the left, we have our cruise control with the heated steering wheel and forward collision alert. And to the right, we have our radio as well as cluster controls and steering wheel mounted paddle shifters on the back there. We can go ahead, put her in ignition, and we can take a look at the infotainment screen. We can start off by checking out the audio here. So it comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect to phone using Bluetooth. We can move over to the navigation here. Here we have our map. The top left, we can search for the address there. It's also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And we can go ahead and take a look at the camera here. So we have the front-facing camera with the normal view, wide view. We have the overhead and the side of each tire, as well as the complete overhead there. Taking a look at the backup camera, we have our normal, wide, got the overhead, side view of each tire, and of course shows more of the back there. And we also have the 3D overhead cam. This one you can look all the way around your vehicle, 360 degrees, in 3D of course. Below that we have our climate controls. We have our auto on and off, as well as our lane keep assist. Here are the infotainment system controls. We got the hazards right there. USB-C and a USB with some storage, 2 cup holders. We can also close that up to make it look a lot slick. Here's the center console. Popping that open, we have storage up top as well as more down below. USB-C and a USB plug-in. Here we have our rear view mirror. Above that, we got the OnStar and SOS, 2 dome lights, liftgate controls, universal garage opener, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. We have black assist steps, color matched mirror caps and door handles with the chrome accent and keyless entry. Privacy tint on the rear windows, and we can make our way to the back here. We have some more Cadillac and Escalade badging back here, and we can double click to open the power liftgate. There's a ton of storage space back here. If we look to the right here, we have a 3-prong plug-in, and we can drop these rear seats down using these power controls here to get a ton of extra space in the back. You can also lift this bottom portion up, get some extra storage below, and we can close it up by pushing a button. Now checking out the rear interior, here we got the same accent, power lock and unlock with the power windows, some storage and cup holder space, and the AKG speakers. And here are the seats. We have the manual controls just to the bottom left there, and we can hop inside. The back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle here we have our rear climate control. Down below that we can pop it open, turn on 2 cup holders, as well as 2 USB-C plugins and a 3-prong plug-in. Dome lights at the top there, rear vents as well. We have hooks on either side, handles here. Taking a look at the rear, it's the same setup. We got 2 vents up at the top. We have the dome lights, cup holders on either side, as well as a USB-C plug-in. Not to mention we get a great view. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2023 Cadillac Escalade Luxury. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.